make some difference? Yes, ma'am. So, anything that I ask you, you'll be able to tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do we have these? Alright, you will only raise hands.
I took teaching as a profession because basically I was very fond of children. I wanted to be with the children, and one can always be young with the children. I take English for classes 6 to 10. I joined this organization in '93. My first school was Karanja. That was also fun. But I am into this profession since you can say since '89.
What is the theme? Then he dismisses. He says that is immaterial. That is not an important thing. That what is the theme? The important thing is that she is singing a very beautiful song. She's singing beautiful.
And another reason was that my grandmother, she was also a teacher and retired as a principal of Government Girls Inter College. She has worked in many of the places in UP. I was very much influenced by her. She had a great impact on me, not only as a teacher but also as a person. So, and in the family, it's not only me who took to teaching, it is my sister also. And she's also working in the same organization.
I joined this Vidyalaya in June 2010. Since then, I know Nishi Sharma as my colleague, as we both are working in the same humanities, same department, that is English department. I am very close to her. She is a very nice lady. As far as a human being, she is, I think, ready to consider everyone's problem. And she stands by her colleagues in every hour of need.
I know Mrs. Nishi Sharma since 1993. Since the time she joined in SKV, I can say that she is a very warm person, helping nature.
Nishi Sharma is my colleague and I know her since 95 December. She is a very good friend, always helpful. Whenever we are in trouble, she is there to help us. And as a teacher, she is the best teacher, best English teacher. Her children adore her because many children who pass out 10th, when they come to 11th and 12th, they always praise her. Even children who have already been settled, got married, now also if they meet, they definitely talk about Nishi. We learned English only because of Nishi Sharma.
Well, I never thought of becoming a teacher in life, though I was very much influenced by my grandmother, and then later on my English teacher in my graduation really influenced me. The two teachers really influenced me, and I was inspired, and then I thought of becoming a teacher. And now that I'm in this profession, I realized that yes, I could make a good teacher. I had that skill. I have been greatly into sports. I used to play most of the games like badminton, table tennis, basketball. I always feel that sports is an integral part of a student's life. At the age of 52, I am doing something or the other to keep myself physically fit. It has become a way of life for me. I have always devoted 1 hour to myself to keep myself healthy. Children are so innocent. One is always fresh when one is with the children. So I now love my profession also. That is what has always interested me.